Yeah man guys, so we are get some tin set. So no thing, huh? Let's go on. You get 9 bag of them here guys, you know? That's the one
Coming, theater. Come on, I got theater.
Mobi.
Why? And I've been like.
9 bag ready.
We are going to theater. Come on, we are going to the man people. The man himself, they could be out with ocean adventure land.
That is it.
You know where I get some things set. I don't know, say, in the process over there, I deal with the tiling, so things that have to be a part of it. So
I will still not get the one. I will still not get one, you know, guys.
Yeah? What else you want?
One. Blue bag. Yeah, one.
You don't know you watch out the man himself, so you know, say, I'm not stop. You know, say, man, no one of them is determined, though. So, we're going to find it today. So let's stay tuned and watch the people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them.
10?
9.
Yo! Make one stay, man.
I tell you to
no, man, a 9, man. You put it back for.
9. You're ready?
You count them a 9, no? 2, 4, 6, 8. A 9 that?
Yeah, so quick.
You sure, so you put 10 in here? You want to give me an extra?
Give one a red one then.
Give one a red one then, Rasta. Yeah, bless up, man. Yeah. Come on, guys, so they are up on the window, them guys, you know? So that's the bathroom window. You can see my father there, they are clamp it up, guys. Yeah, man, that is it. Over there, up on the. Yeah, guys, so we're going. 2 windows over there, up on the guys. Yeah. Bathroom window, clamp up, and all this is the room window. I don't know. Clamp, we are clamp up window now. That's why I get another thing. Just out the window of Dyna, guys. So we have a cast up right here, so the cast up come up to the line here, guys, you know? That's at the bottom part of the window. Don't know anything, go. Man, just up right up. Top piece of board for take off to, guys. And thing. Don't know, so just go and lock in and watch how I go. Go down, boom, so. That is it, peeps. So guys, we there get the bottom part of the window jam square up and all, guys, you know. So that's how we want to go on. Father flashy in the one here already. We'll soon get it rub off and thing, you know. Yeah, man, that is it. So we have to tile the bathroom first, guys. Yeah, so we have to tile out the bathroom first thing. Yeah, so we have to get in the window before we start tiling, you know. Yes, so that's how we go on. That is it. Nice day, guys. Beautiful. So not from morning. Before the rest there, guys, are gone. Do right, you know. We go ahead and purchase all the things set them to, guys. Yeah. So I go on. Nice bag of things here. We get 9 bag. 9 bag, guys, you know. We go ahead and purchase them one here too, guys. I think them here are the wall one. 400. You know, Dyna 400. So that I go and peeps, man. We just there try to get the place up and running, you know, guys. Cause I don't know. Hold it more work there for you. We would have to go just prime out the room, guys. I think for about to paint it, but maybe just keep a look white primer. Yeah, I think we figure out the color we want to get in it, guys, you know. Because when the rain fall, guys, the water soak on the wall here. As I seen in the previous video, guys. So I don't want the problem with that. You know, so we just prime it and leave it at that, guys. I'm sure if you know, I'm going to paint out the bathroom. Yeah, but I might just prime out the room for now. You know? Yeah, and tile it too as well, guys. So we'll just go and stay tuned and watch you all go on. Yeah. Yeah? Where is it? That level, put back on that level here. Can't see this look on. That's alright. So guys, as you can see, we just there try to get the window square up, you know? And we are going to flush out here, so guys, before we put in the window. So we now get in the window yet, guys. We're going to do the flushing of all of the wall them. All of the wall them, guys, you know. Get a one down, look. Yeah, so we have flushed the wall, guys, and we're going to flush up around here, so guys, you know. That is it. We have the window there to deal with too, guys, as well. The whole of the bathroom, the kitchen, guys, are going to flush out too. In the coming weeks, you know. So we just there have to just take our time and just get the room active and everything. Yeah. You know, so a whole heap of earth there, people. Yeah, man, that a go on, guys, huh? Whole heap of earth there, guys. I tell her. Good morning, guys. We there, earth. Yeah, my father. Leave and go on, not a beer. Go get some get the things set them, guys, because we never get them a kicks, man. You know? So we have to be there for enough for a beer. Go get them today. Yeah, me I look at the area, guys. You know what I think? Yeah, man. Always available once for call, you know? So that's a go on, guys. So we just there work on the window them today. So coming days, guys, we're gonna get the jam them put in. Yeah, the tile are supposed to be forward in and all, guys, you know? And things, so we're not gonna see all of that, guys. So now we just go and lock in, guys. Watch what I'm going, like, share, and subscribe, guys. I don't know Ocean Adventure and TV out here. With a day, with a night, with a rain or with a shine. You know my style. So just go and stay tuned. Come on, guys, so get some more granite mix up, guys. So I get on some concrete too as well, guys. Don't know, me just go and do me thing, you know, people. Show me what I go on, you know. Don't know, so just go and lock in and watch out. Go on. Come on, guys, so there I walk, huh? Go on, put you. I mix up the material right here, so guys, so you want to lock in, watch out. Yeah, man, guys, that's what I want. final dressing in, guys, you know. And that's it. So up on the bottom part of the window basin, guys. But we have to do a little adjustment, guys, because it have a little bit more room. We don't want to give it too much space, you know, guys, you know. On the side of them part here, just have to, guys, smooth, you know. Yeah, man. So we normally just, guys, and try 15. Yeah. So you know, give it not too much problem when I put in it, guys, you know. The bathroom one, guys, already 15 already, Tina, guys, you know. You know, we don't have to just up the side of the wall, guys, because the side of the wall have a tile, you know. So you have the bathroom window too, guys. Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah, man. So we soon get in the tile, you know, guys. We tile out the bathroom first. All of the bathroom first, you know. And then we style out the room, you know. That we are leaving, guys. So don't know, evening, you know, guys. Yeah, so don't know what thing going on. Like, share, subscribe, guys, and just catch up on the next video. Don't know, it's a new month, so bless up all of my subscribers, them, all of my viewers. If I don't know a thing, so do the right thing. Yeah, man, we're out there. That is it.